Hey, I'm Fish. Welcome to the show. 2026 it is. Forza Horizon 5, Assetto Corsa, ATS, American Truck Simulator, with the Logitech G923 bundle, the pedals and the gear shifter. I'm waiting upon Forza Horizon 5 if I should get it or not. I find it very difficult at the start to set things up to get it to work correctly, but I got a lap or two in and it's not like I realized it. AC, put the clutch on, get in first gear, go. You're spinning all over the place. And that's what I'm finding out with Assetto Corsa. But I got BSM GT, something like that. And not as fun. Once you find the right game, then the fun begins. And that's what simulators are about. Getting started is quite difficult, but once you get going, like I said, you'll be a pro, just like this guy with this big camera. Speaking of cameras, the Action 5 Pro is the best for me for today. So off I go, and on I get on out of here. I've been with racing games for a very long time, and the one I like best is Outrun. Oh man, back at the arcade time. Need for Speed, man, that's another nice game. Police, cops and robbers pursuit. And yeah, maybe that's why Forza Horizon 5 may be something that I'm more interested in than Assetto Corsa, which I got to get online and race with others, but until I become a pro. And I'm never gonna be there right away. Maybe you, in a minute or two. We're down at the beach, winter time, the sun is blaring nice and, bright. I no longer love nor hate, just gonna use what I got. I hear rumors out there that Insta360 may come out this year. And just like Forza Horizon 6 will be out in 2026, but more or less that'd be an autumn, fall. So why not enjoy the moment while you can? Have it all. You're just gonna have everything just build up and all that old stuff just sits there and collects dust. And that's not what I want to do today. I may just mosey along and get on out of here and go do what I like to do best, and I got some things to wrap up. So I'm pretty happy, pretty contented, and yes indeed, it's daylight, and this is the Cannondale Adventure 2. Maybe all the time I don't get out during the day, like Dracula sleeps at night. People know it all, not me. I'm just the Fish. Oh, I got a rip seat. I gotta go start shopping. Well, time for me to get on out of here, go enjoy some low riding. That's a drone. Setting up. NYPD drone. Scope out the area. That's the first time I've seen that. Well, it's always time for the first time.
Ниже там будет эксперимент.